goes. There it goes. Okay. Hey friends, hey friends, hey friends, hey friends. So I got the pink drink. I got 4 bags and it's sold out. And today is the beginning of September. It is sold out. The company, who knows when it's going to get it, but I got it. So I'm going to show you guys literally how I'm about to make, well, these bags already gone because I sold the samples from these already, right? So I just put 5 in a sample and ship it out to people. So literally, how do you make at least $80 to $100 profit on the Xetrim pink drink? So you can use social media, or you can use your cell phone, or you could just use word of mouth, right? Either way, if you want to make $100 a day, and this is offline, right? There's people teaching, inboxing people to make $100 a day online. But this is an offline strategy, right? Some people are intimidated by social media. Some people just feel like, oh my God, I don't want to inbox people. I don't want to post about my product. I don't. But guys, we are in a digital age where everybody's on social media. You post some stuff, people are going to be interested. If you keep posting, people are going to eventually be like, let me try that, right? So that's really how it works. But if you never get started, then you never get started. But anyway, I'm always posting about what I do. So that's why people buy from me and people get involved with what I'm doing, right? So the Xetrim, literally, okay? If you are an affiliate of this company, which you can become a free affiliate, right, of this company and make money for free. Now, if you don't have $139 to join, right away, you can become a free affiliate and promote the product and make 25%, right? So if you are an affiliate, you paid $139, you literally can become your own customer and get this pack of tea. Well, think about TLC. Get this pink drink, not tea, it's not tea. Get the pink drink for $45, okay? Because it's $47 with shipping, comes out to like $55, $54, right? So you make $10 on each pack that you buy for $47. Right? So you got to factor in shipping. So let's just say you get it for about, again, $45. $45 per pack. Okay? Per pack. Okay? Now, with this pack, you break the package up. I just showed you guys. Just go on Amazon and get you a couple of these empty. Okay? And then you package them in 5s, and you sell 5 for $25. Now, in this pack of the pink drink, it is 30 sticks of the Xetrim. Very convenient. Throw it in your bag, throw it in your wallet, throw it in the baby bag, throw it in your glove compartment, throw it in the trunk, right? You can throw it in your sock. It's that convenient, right? Throw it in your sock, right? So you break it down into 5s, right? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you break it up 6 times, right? So 25 times 6 is what? About $150. You only pay $45 for this. So you make $105 per day. You could go to work. You literally can go to work every day and tell your coworkers about this, or have them try it. Give 5 of your coworkers a day one of these and say, hey, I have a new pink drink, right? It helps you lose weight, helps you have energy, also helps you go to the bathroom, detox, also give mental clarity, also has probiotics inside of it, right? And it's just for overall health, right? It's overall mental clarity. That's what people need. And people need energy so they can get through the day, right? So here, try it. Let me know if you like it, right? Just give one to your coworker, right? So we got to invest in ourselves. We got to invest in our business. You know, if we're scared to just give away stuff, or we're scared, to give away samples, because they might not, try it. So, all right, well, you don't know that, right? They may try it. Then what? Now they may say, give me some samples, or they may say, give me a whole bag, right? So literally, guys, you can make $105 per bag, literally. All you're doing is breaking it up, contacting people, sending people. I got a whole script. I have a new drink. It's called the pink drink. It helps you lose weight, mental clarity, right? And it also helps you to detox, okay? And it gives a lot of energy, right? So I just say that to people. And if you're interested, I'll send you the video. Boom. What do? If they say, yes, send me the video. Boom, I send them the video. So it's a 13-minute video I can send them. The video just basically goes over what it is, how it can help, how to make it. And then guess what? Either the same day, the next day, I'll either inbox them or text them and say, hey, did you watch the video? Oh, yeah, I did watch the video. I like that it has energy. I like that it does detox. I like that it helps you to lose weight. Okay, great. Now, would you like to try it? Yeah, I would like to try it. Okay, well, it's 5 for $25. You cash at me, or you can go on my website, because I got my own website. You go on my website and you can buy it, or you can just cash at me and then just send me your address and I'll send it to you. Okay, great. All right, well, how much weight are you looking to lose? Right? See, now it starts the conversation. How much weight do you want to lose, Sandra? Right? Oh, I want to lose 30 pounds. Oh, okay. Well, we have some sprays also, too, right? That now allows you to lose like 30 pounds in 30 days. Oh, really? Yeah. So, everybody done took the pills. Everybody done took all the teas. Everybody done rubbed the oils, done took the creams. This is a spray where you can just spray in your mouth and literally spray the pounds away. Oh, really? Yes. Okay. So while they're cash apping you, or while they're sending you, or you sending them your website, right? You're also sending them your My Daily Choice website and saying to them, set up a free account as an affiliate. Set up a free account, Sandra, as an affiliate, and you can literally go into the back office and you can order yours right now and get the $40 weight loss system or the $60 weight loss system that we have. Guess what? I had at least 5 people say, yep, send it to me. I'm getting the $40 weight loss system and I'm getting the pink drink. I got 20 customers offline. Actually, I'm about to meet with a girl right now. She already cashed at me. I'm about to go drop this off to her. Then what's next after that? You got to follow up with people, right? See, people don't want to work, right? They want to make money, but nobody want to work. If I'm telling you, you get 1 bag of this per day and go to work and sample out, you literally are making an extra $3,000 per day. Okay, literally an extra $3,000 or $2,500 per day. How could that change your life? Right? So if you don't want to do digital marketing, if you don't want to do drop shipping, right, you can do this. How many people at your job are coming to you and giving you samples of natural products that can help them lose weight, gain mental clarity, have energy, right? Also feel good, right? Give them the probiotics, put some herbs in their body, right? How many people at your job is doing that? I'm sure 0, right? So you can be that person, right? Guess what? You do that enough times, guess what? You're going to start getting attention. People are going to be saying, you know what, sis? I need that pink drink. Where is it? Oh, I need that $40 weight loss system. Where is it? All you need is one of your coworkers to literally say, I lost 8 pounds in 2 weeks on this $40 system. That's all you need. Is one of your coworkers to say, or I lost 2 pounds, or I went to the bathroom, or I had so much energy from just drinking 3 bottles or 3 sachets of this, And guess what? That's all you need is one of your customers to give you a testimonial, and then your customer is going to go tell the other co-workers, and guess what? Your co-workers will now come to you. I mean, of course, you got to be a product of the product. Every day you should be walking around with your pink drink, right? Every day you should be before lunch or after lunch, you should be spraying. So people can see, oh, this bitch spraying the pounds away. And then when people start seeing you losing weight, now you got the waist trainer on, you all snatched and shit. They like, man, listen, girl, give me that $40 weight loss system, right? So you can either send them to your website and say the $40 weight loss system, right? If you become an affiliate, you could save a couple of bucks. You could save 10%. If not, you got to pay, me. So they send it to the website. They save 10%. They get it shipped to their house. Or they can pay you $45, $50, right? They can cash app you. And what you can do is go create a customer account for them with the email, address, everything, right? Put your address, right? And then get it shipped to you, get it shipped to your job. And now they got it. And My Daily Choice, they ship fast. They write in Vegas, right? They write in Vegas, so they ship fast, right? So I just got involved with this company. I done already made at least $300 cash app, Zelle, cash, right? Literally, right? So I know how to retail, right? But I'm going to crank it up a notch, right? I'm going to crank it up a notch. You're going to see more videos of this. You're going to see more emails of this. I'm going to start getting business cards and, I'm going to just crank it up a little bit, right? Because again, guys, this is it. This is the hottest business or in the home-based business industry. Okay, My Daily Choice is new to me, is new to us, but My Daily Choice has actually been around for a very long time, right? It was just another name, right? So this company ain't going nowhere, and they pay 8 different ways, and they pay out, right, every single week, and you can get paid daily. You can make $100 per day, whether you're a man or whether you're a woman, or if you're unemployed. Great. This is the perfect thing for if you're unemployed, right? If you're unemployed, now you going in the street prospecting. Oh, I don't want to do that. Okay, well, sit home and be broke. Oh, I don't want to go on the street. Okay, well, sit home and be broke. Go to Walmart. Everybody's at Walmart. Go to Target. Everybody's at Target. Go to the mall. Everybody's at the mall. Christmas is around the corner. New Year's is around the corner. What do people want to do? Lose weight, make more money, get closer to God. That's what everybody wants. Whether you broke or rich, everybody want to make more money, lose more weight, and get closer to God. You could go to Walmart, set up a table, and give out samples. Put the drink in the bottle, shake it up, and have the little shot glasses. Pour it and tell people to taste it. Oh, 5 for 25, 5 for 20. Listen, you're making $105 per bag anyway, so you can really charge whatever you want to charge. You can have a sale. Oh, 5 for 15, 5 for 20, 5 for 25, 5 for 30. Heard a girl told me she sell 5 for $40. And being that it's sold out right now, you literally could sell 5 for $40. Right? So it's truly, truly, truly up to you guys. It's truly, truly up to you. It's truly up to you. I'm running my own race, right? I'm doing my own thing. The main goal when you start a business, guys, is to make money and to help people. And if you're not doing that, then what are you doing, right? So you can get started, like I said, for a free affiliate, right? If you want to try this, it's 5 for 25, right? I ship it to you. And then you start drinking it in the morning. I think people should drink it in the morning because it gives energy. It's not like the TLC tea where it's like a laxative and it forces your colon and you run into the bathroom. I used to be holding like, oh shit. Nah, this just regulates you. And this gives a smooth number 2. Okay, a smooth poop, right? And it's not like the TLC tea used to like make your stomach bubble. Like I used to be like, oh shit, rushing home. And you know, soon as you, and when you get home, it's like when you start getting closer to home, right? When you get closer to home, it's like your body know you get closer to home, so the stomach start bubbling more. Like, God damn. Rushing out the damn car, running, dropping everything. No, this does not do that at all. And I've been drinking this for a whole week. I feel lighter. I have energy, mental clarity, and overall, I'm able to put herbs from the earth inside of my body. And if you want to sell the whole bag offline, you're only getting it for $45, right? If you're an affiliate, and then you can sell it for $65 or $60. You make $15, $20 on a whole bag. You can keep giving samples, or you can sell a whole bag. I done sold the whole bag already. The lady went on my website. She bought a whole bag. She gave me a tip of $5. So I ended up making $70. Right? Bought it for $70. I actually got this for, a little bit cheaper. A little bit cheaper. So I made $30 on this. So when I tell you money is everywhere, and that's why I'm into multiple streams of income right now. I got an event that I'm going to right now. It's reminding me right now. I have an event that I'm going to right now talking about how to get contracts with the DOE and how to expand that business, right? So you got to have multiple streams. You got to have multiple streams, guys. If you're a big recruiter, you can recruit. If you, just want to do offline, you could just do offline. If you want to just inbox 25 people a day, you can. It's completely up to you. And we got some great leaders in My Daily Choice. Candace, always wanted to work with her. She's amazing. Stanisha's amazing. Nina just joined. Nina's a whole beast, by herself. A lot of the TLC leaders are coming over here because TLC, they got their own problems and they got their own issues going on. The FTC is up their ass. Listen. It's time for some money, man. And if you could drink one a day, feel better, lose weight, right, and help others, there's no reason you can't go make $100 a day. So go to workathomebiz.org. You can watch the presentation or not, or just send me a message. Hey, coach, let me try this drink. I saw your video because I had about 10 people send me, okay, coach, I saw the video. I want to try it. So I'll see you guys at the top.